Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef. This is a bottle of Don Ramon Tequila Reposado. And full disclosure, I have already opened it and tasted it. And the reason is, I really was going to do it for the video, and I did, but I forgot to turn that lamp off. So it was just bright light behind me, and you couldn't see anything. It was absolutely horrible. So my stupidity is the answer to this video. Short version, this is a reposado tequila that I saw in a couple of restaurants that I eat in quite often, and a tapas and tequila place here in town, and it piqued my curiosity. So I didn't order it, but I asked about it, and nobody seemed to know much about it. So when I got to the liquor store close by my house, a friend of mine owns, I noticed they had one bottle, and apparently he had ordered it for said bar. I had, I don't know, I had some apprehension because it's only a $30 bottle of Reposado tequila. Now, granted, it looks pretty cool, and you've got this buckle on here that opens up and it comes off, and it's got a rubber plug on what's supposed to look like a crystal that's plastic. And it has a real nice earthy smell to it. It's very light in color. It's actually a decent reposado. You can taste the agave. You can taste the cooked agave, but you get notes in there, almost fruit-like, and very subtle, and absolutely no flavor of alcohol, which is very odd. And there's no burn on the end. It is listed on their website as 100% blue Weber agave. It's aged apparently 6 months in French oak, and it's 80 proof or 40% alcohol. So all in all, it's a pretty simple to drink tequila. I would say this: if you're a big fan of really earthy tequila, if you like stuff like Fortaleza or Hecuatro or even Mi Familia Flores, this probably isn't for you. It's a little too soft. Now, you throw a little ginger ale in it, probably be great. But as a sipping tequila, it's the way I would explain it, it's kind of like Chablis is to white wine. It's still really good. It's a very well balanced, drinkable tequila. It's just not for an experienced palate. So if you're trying to get into tequila, if you want to get the nuances of flavors of agave, this is a good start position. Not only that, it's cheap. I mean, $30 for a fifth of Reposado. It's a good buy. Till next time, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Eat and drink fabulous. Oh, and by the way, I've got a video coming up probably tomorrow. I did dinner this evening. I did one pan for salmon, and wow, it turned out really good. Poached salmon in white wine and cream. It'll be up real soon. If you have something you'd like me to review, if you have questions, comments, if you like a recipe for something you see me make, or a drink or a food item, doesn't matter. Even if you have a question about Wichita, drop me a line, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Make sure you check out my series about public golf courses in Wichita that we're doing in response to another YouTuber who posted this video about where to play golf in Wichita, but apparently he's never been to Wichita, so that didn't make a lot of sense. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.